What's up, guys? I just got back from Hot Topic. I got a few more pops, as usual. They did not have the ones I was looking for, though, because obviously Black Friday and all that stuff. Actually, the guy told me that they didn't have these ones in the store yet. I guess they haven't hit the East Coast yet. I've seen a lot of people saying that they were getting these. I wanted the new Gur with the cupcake one, and I wanted Anti-Venom. No luck with either one of them. But yeah, let me get started here. First, I will show you the pops I got. My Hot Topic bag here. Alright, the first one I got is a Hot Topic exclusive. It is Daredevil. Pretty cool little guy there. Pretty happy with this one. There was only one on the shelf, but I asked the guy. He's pretty cool. He talks to me and my friend there every time we go, and he went in the back and they had more, and this one was in much better shape than the others. I like it. Very cool, very cool. That's the first one. And then I got... I'll do this one first. I got the Feral Ghoul from Fallout. I really like the Fallout ones. I've only gotten... well, I have 4 of them now, including the Black Suit GameStop exclusive. I got the Brotherhood of Steel. Now I have the Feral Ghoul. And I have Deathclaw. And then I have the Power Suit. Power Armor, rather. Yeah, this guy's cool. They have the glowing one on the GameStop site, and I ordered that as well. That should be here soon, and I will show you guys that when I get it. Okay, and the third one I got is Kelly Kapowski from Saved by the Bell. I am trying to get all the Saved by the Bells one. This is the third one I've got, so I only need 3 to go. They had AC Slater there, but his head was crooked, so I was like, nope, not going to get that one. She is in good shape. It's 3 for $25 right now, but I think that's going to stop very soon. Alright, that's for the pops, and got a second Hot Topic bag here. And inside, after doing my Loot Crate unboxing, I was like, you know what, I really like these things, and I heard that they have them at Hot Topic, so I'm going to go out and get some. The cute but deadly ones. These are really cool. I already have the one I got earlier in the Loot Crate. She's really awesome. I felt around. It was a brand new case. He brought it out for me from the back. They didn't even put it on the store yet. And yeah, let's see what I get. I'll probably get another one of her, not my luck. But here we go. What's this? I like the bags. They have the drawings on them. It's hard to see on this, but definitely cool. What do we have? Ooh! Ha! That's pretty cool. Hold on. Okay, good. She does come with a stand as well. This is Kerrigan, I think her name is. Wow, that's a lot of detail there. Whoop, whoop. Look at her. She is very angry. Look at all her hair. Huh. I saw, what is it, I think Grumpy Nerd opened these or somebody. And he had one that the head fell off after dropping it. I'm going to be very careful with her. Because these are like $10.50 each. Or it's buy one, get one half off at Hot Topic right now. So I will be very careful not to hurt her. Alright, second one. I wish I could have got the whole case. It would have been $100, I think. But I don't really have the money for that right now. So only got 4. Wow, this one. Okay, dokie. I'm not really looking for anyone in particular. They're all pretty damn cool, to be honest. Getting a mystery. Oh, yes. I was actually hoping I got him. Diablo. Oh, look at him. That is so awesome. Wow, that's cool. Look. Oh. Awesome. This is sick. Look at his tongue. I love this one. Whoa. And he must have a stand. Yeah, okay. Where do you put... Okay. So he's like on his side? That's weird. Huh. That is kind of strange. Oh, actually, alright, that kind of makes sense. He's like, okay. That's awesome. I'm glad I got him. Alright. They should all be different ones because it was a brand new one. And there's only 12, so... Or I guess there are doubles. Okay, that kind of stinks. I got her again. At least these aren't broken. Oh, the wings are a little different. But... Wow, they do have doubles in these. That is lame. They must not be all 1 out of 12, huh? No, they're not. It's like 6 out of 36 and all that. Alright. Ooh, I should have shook them around a little bit more. They don't feel the same though. Like they're all like the same weight. So, well, here's the last one. Let's see. Hopefully it's not another repeat. I'm happy with Diablo though, because he's what is he? 6 and 36. So yeah, it's not rare at all. What is this? It might actually be another Diablo. I think it is. That's a worth one. Yep. Another Diablo. Alright, so I will not be purchasing these boxes because they give too many doubles. I'm very bummed out about that. But these are really cool. But it's a shame I got like two Diablos and 2 of the other one. Oh, I'm bummed out. I should have felt around more. I didn't know. I didn't really look at the back. I should have gotten lighter ones to get a Murloc. And I really want Arthas. Oh well though. But that's it for me. I am done with this for now. I will be back Monday or Tuesday whenever I get my horror block. And yeah. I'll see you then. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please, I mean, I get so many views and nobody's subscribing. What's up with that? But yeah, please subscribe. And yeah, I'll be back. Later, guys.